In this video, I'll show you how to set up Square appointments. Start by signing into your Square dashboard. From the left menu, click Appointments. If you're setting it up for the first time, follow the prompts to create your booking site. Next, enter your business information, including your business name, location, business hours, and time zone. After that, go to Services and click Create Service. Add each service you offer, set the duration, price, and assign it to the appropriate staff member if you have a team. Now open the Staff section and add your team members. Set their working hours, availability, and the services each person can provide. Next, go to Online Booking and customize your booking page. You can choose which services are available online, adjust booking rules, and enable appointment confirmations and reminder notifications. Finally, click Publish or copy your online booking link and share it with your customers. Then book a test appointment to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Square appointments. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.